empowering the world through innovative and accessible education.
Introduction to ChatGPT. Welcome. In this lesson, we'll explore what ChatGPT is, how it works, and how to get started. By the end, you'll know the fundamentals and be ready to log in, navigate the interface, and choose the plan that fits your needs. Lesson outline, on-screen text. 1.1 What is ChatGPT? 1.2 Setting up and navigating. ChatGPT is a conversational AI model developed by OpenAI. It can answer questions in natural language, brainstorm ideas, draft emails, articles, even code, translate languages, tutor you in a subject, and more. At its core, ChatGPT is a large language model, a system trained on billions of words of text to predict the next word in a sentence. Because of that training, it can generate human-like responses. ChatGPT is quite versatile. It can generate text, whether it's essays, stories, or summaries. It can also handle quanta tasks, providing factual answers and explanations. If you're looking for something more creative, ChatGPT can write poetry, scripts, and even jokes. And for those in the tech world, it offers coding help, writing, debugging, and explaining code. Under the hood, ChatGPT is a transformer-based neural network. Here are the key ideas. First, tokens. Text is split into tokens, which can be words or subwords. Models have a token limit. For ChatGPT-3.5, it's 4,096 tokens, which is about 3,000 words. GPT-4 goes even higher. Next, the context window. All tokens in a conversation, your prompt plus the model's replies, must fit within that limit. If you exceed it, the oldest tokens drop off. Lastly, attention. The model attends to all tokens in context, so it knows what came before and can generate coherent replies. When you type a prompt, ChatGPT converts each word into tokens, processes them through multiple transformer layers, and outputs a probability distribution for the next token. It then samples from that distribution to generate each word in its reply, one token at a time. Advanced note: developers can use the OpenAI API to control sampling parameters, like temperature, which affects creativity, and max tokens, to fine-tune output style and length. The journey began with simple statistical models in the 1990s. In 2017, the transformer architecture revolutionized the field. In 2018, GPT-1 showed that generative pre-training helps. In 2019, GPT-2 scaled up to 1.5 billion parameters, able to write realistic paragraphs. In 2020, GPT-3 leapt to 175 billion parameters, powering versatile applications. And from 2023 onwards, GPT-4 added multimodal capabilities like text and image, and larger context windows. Each generation improved coherence, knowledge, and the ability to follow complex instructions. ChatGPT builds on GPT 3.5 and GPT-4 with fine-tuning for dialogue, making it more reliable for back-and-forth conversation. Lesson 1.2 - Setting up and navigating ChatGPT. To begin using ChatGPT, go to chat.openai.com. Click Sign Up. You can use email, Google, or Microsoft. Verify your account via the link in your email, then log in with your new credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the chat interface. You can click New Chat at any time to start fresh. Let's tour the main elements. The sidebar shows past chats. Click a title to revisit or rename. The system prompt for advanced users via API sets the AI's role. The user input box is where you type your messages. The settings menu lets you access model selection like GPT 3.5 versus GPT-4, toggle dark mode, and view usage. You can pin important chats, export transcripts, or share a chat link. The interface is designed to be intuitive for beginners and flexible for power users. OpenAI offers both free and subscription tiers. The free tier gives you access to GPT 3.5 with a monthly usage cap and standard rate limits. On the other hand, ChatGPT Plus, which costs $20 per month, offers access to GPT-4, which is faster and more capable. Plus, you get priority access during peak times, higher rate limits, and longer context windows. If you're experimenting or learning, the free tier is enough. But if you need advanced reasoning, larger context, or production reliability, then Plus is worthwhile. Many teams upgrade when they rely on ChatGPT daily. Here are a few quick tips for both plans. Stay under token limits by breaking long conversations into threads. Save your prompts by reusing and refining your best ones in a document. And monitor your usage by checking settings and then usage to avoid any surprises. That wraps up lessons 1.1 and 1.2. You now know what ChatGPT is, how it works, and how to get started. In the next lesson, we'll dive into prompt engineering to get the best results. See you there!